Is the 1/3 rule a myth when it comes to cutting grass? Let's find out. So, a few days ago, I ripped this down from about an inch to down to around half an inch. And then right up here is a quarter of an inch. Notice it's coming back just fine. The 1/3 rule only applies if you cut your grass every single week or every 3 days at the same height and you turn it yellow or it's like stressed out. Don't be afraid if you've got Bermuda grass or another fast type of growing grass. Just go ahead and rip it down to the dirt and start over when you need to. Sometimes that's what it takes. If you look over here where the grass is coming back and you got that whitish yellow, that's the thick old stalks. They're really stalky. They're not comfortable up under your feet. If you want that soft, lush grass like this, you really have to take the time and rip it down and start over from time to time. Don't be afraid. You have to trust the process.